Good morning and happy Thursday, everyone. It is 6:40 right now and temperatures are off to a warmer start than yesterday. Temperatures in the upper 40s, and in Great Falls this is actually 12 degrees warmer than it was yesterday at this time. So 49 degrees in Great Falls, Lewistown and Havre, 53 degrees in Helena, at 38 in Cut Bank. Yesterday morning Cut Bank was at freezing, but a little bit warmer this morning even though it is still in the 30s. A couple of good sunrises to show you up on Apgar Mountain. You can see a little bit of fog down in the valley, but nice sunrise coming up over the mountains. Here in Helena, you can see that sunrise coming up over the mountains as well. The sunrise has been getting later and later every day today. The official sunrise in the capital city is at 6:54, but it makes for interesting views here during the morning shows. Nice to see these sunrises along the horizon. Nice sunrise this morning in Great Falls. Also in Lewistown, beautiful sunrises with some of the cloud cover that has moved in overnight and will be continuing to move in as the day goes on. So taking a look at the national radar, you can still see some of the remnants of Tropical Storm, or now Tropical Depression Gordon, that is moving through the southeastern United States. This is not the worst storm that they've ever seen, but still some pretty strong thunderstorms coming from that. There is a severe thunderstorm warning down in that area, and that's going to continue to push northward into the Midwest. Now for us, we are going to see some thunderstorms later on this afternoon. You can start to see some of this moisture in central Idaho. That'll be moving into our area later on. So the morning is going to be clear, but in the afternoon and evening we're going to get some of those showers. We are dry right now with the exception of a few isolated showers just south of Bozeman here, just south of Lewistown as well, but that's going to start picking up later on this morning. You can even see that kind of dissipating just this morning, but later on this afternoon rather is when we're going to see that start continuing and picking up. Now we are going to have a nice warm temperatures this afternoon. Temperatures in the mid 80s, 85 degrees for the high in Great Falls and in Helena, 81 in Lewistown, 80 in Cut Bank, so a huge difference from the morning low today, and 84 degrees in Havre. Now those storms will be moving in to southwestern Montana, areas like Dillon and Butte, earlier than it will be moving into the capital city. We're going to see those showers start to begin around 5 or 6 o'clock in the capital city, a little bit later in Great Falls, maybe 6 or 7 o'clock in Great Falls, and they're going to continue throughout the late evening, overnight hours. That'll start to clear out by tomorrow morning. So we should be starting off tomorrow morning nice and clear, but tonight and this afternoon and evening are going to be a little bit dicey out there in terms of rainfall. So tomorrow we could see an isolated thunderstorm or two in Helena, Great Falls. Along the High Line you can see some of that cloud cover starting to move in tomorrow, but Saturday is really going to be the rainiest day of the weekend. You can see widespread cloud cover just in the morning on Saturday at 6:30. Well, I'm going to take you all the way to the weekend here now. So you can see those storms moving out today, and then tomorrow, very widespread rainfall. This is Saturday afternoon that will start, and then continuing for most of the day and for most of the state on Saturday. A little bit later in eastern Montana than in western Montana off the Rocky Mountain front. But we will see a widespread rainfall on Saturday. Just keep that in mind if you have any weekend plans. It is going to be pretty rainy out there on Saturday. So for the 7-day forecast, we are looking at some rainfall today, continuing potentially tomorrow. Saturday is going to be the worst day, but temperatures are going to be pretty comfortable here for the next few days in the 70s and 80s. And once that rain moves out on Saturday, you will get a break from it on Sunday. So if you're making your weekend plans, you will get some sunshine here and there. Next week starting off sunny, but we do have some more showers coming in on Wednesday. So sunshine here and there, but we are getting some rain. Good news for fires. That is good. So
absolutely. Just keep the umbrella kind of right there.
Right.
Handy. Right, Katie. Thanks.